Hey guys, do you want to know what you can get for a little over $1,000 in Canadian dollars in Malaysia, in particular in Kuala Lumpur? This is the apartment that we stayed in for a little over a month, about 30 to 40 days. It's a 3-bedroom house. Let's do a quick little walkthrough so you can see now that it's empty. It's actually quite spacious, and honestly, we loved it because of the views. Like, all you need to do is just walk over there and see how gorgeous the views are. You can see the KL Tower from here, you can see all the towers, you can see the whole city. And one thing that I love is the floor to roof windows. Like, it's just amazing. You never have to turn the lights on during the day because it's always so bright and airy. And then you have a little dining area here. There is only one kitchen. However, there's no oven in this suite. I think it's just meant to be like a short-term kind of rental like what we did. There's only 2 little burners to use and a microwave to cook, but there is an island, there is a storage room back here, as well as a washing machine. And technically that storage room is a maid's room, but we won't go there right now. Okay, so follow me. So this takes you over to the bedrooms. So we have the first bedroom here. This is where the girls slept. We've got 1 bed here, and we have a full washroom with a shower. The cool thing about this suite in particular is the fact that every single room had its own bathroom and its own shower. Will and his funny faces. I think Yusuf was trying to copy.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
And then here is the second bedroom, again with the views. You can see the gorgeous views right here. It's such a beautiful complex. Again, full bathroom with a shower. And over here, we have our master suite. So this is where we slept with the baby. Pretty spacious. We've got a big bed, big king-size bed, and again, gorgeous views and a full-size bathroom, as well as a jetted tub, which was really weird. We tried using it and it just shot water everywhere.
No, it's because they didn't realize little kids can't float around with the jets on because it shoots them at the wall.
Yeah.
Them are neck massagers, y'all.
And then we have some closet space. So yeah, a little over $1,000.
And she forgot to mention, there's a powder room. In case you don't want guests using your bedroom.
Oh yeah.
You got that as well. And technically, on the other side of this, there is another washroom. I'm just gonna go and show you. And yeah, we're using our cell phone because our normal filming camera doesn't have battery. So this is what they would call a maid's room. I feel really bad for maids if they have to have that as their room. And then there's another washroom there. And this goes to the outside, which is where you take your garbage. But all in all, this place, it goes for a little over 1 million ringgit, which is somewhere around $330,000-ish Canadian to purchase it. And yeah, for a little over $1,000 a month Canadian to rent this, it's certainly better than what you get back home. And yeah, the amenities, you have 2 pools, you have a playground, you have putting green, you have a driving range indoor, you have tennis courts, you have indoor badminton courts, you have an indoor movie theater, which is private, you can book it out. You have games rooms, you have an incredible gym.
So much, and it's all included, and yeah, the location was beautiful. And if you guys want to go downtown, like if you want to go to the Petronas Towers, it's literally a 10-minute drive.
Petronas Towers are right there. You're gonna have to believe us. They're right on the other side of that building.
Yeah.
A little bit further than right on the other side, but coolest part about this, you guys, is that last night was Eid. Our Eid came and everybody all over town was launching fireworks. It was so cool to sit up here and just watch the fireworks all night long. We have to roll, so we will see you guys in the next one. And I might just show you how embarrassing it is when you travel.
Oh, yes.
For us, oh my God, you guys, check that out. We travel light. I'm kidding, we've been gone for almost 3 months, and we've acquired a few suitcases along the way to replace some of them that we do not like. So we normally do not travel that heavy. So anyway, guys, ta-ta, sana, sana, I did ta-ta, ta-ta, sana.
Ta-ta, everybody.
All right, guys, assalamu alaikum. You should say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.